Imagine what if you get access to 25 plus powerful AI apps that are created keeping your business in mind. And finally, you too can stop paying huge monthly subscriptions to expensive apps like ChatGPT 4.0, Canva, DALL-E, Midjourney, Auber, MailChimp, Wix, ClickFunnels, Unbounce, InVideo, InShorts, Jasper, Stable Diffusion, Leonardo, Lovo, Copilot, Gemini, SEMrush, etc. once and for all. Yes, what I am about to show you today is a premium collection of 25 plus stunning, hand-picked apps that have never been offered before to anyone else for a low, one-time price. So, if you too are willing to automate your business growth from a single platform without spending even a single penny on inefficient and expensive third-party platforms, paying huge money to high-charging freelancers who never care for your business growth, worrying for logging into multiple platforms one after the other, getting low sales and conversions even after giving your best, worrying about paying monthly and getting outdated services and ultimately getting bankrupt. If that got your interest, I've got some great news for you today. Proudly presenting AI Supreme. Brand new AI tech replaces 25 plus complicated and expensive apps like ChatGPT 4.0, Canva, DALL-E, Midjourney, Auber, MailChimp, Wix, ClickFunnels, Unbounce, InVideo, InShorts, Jasper, Stable Diffusion, Leonardo, Lovo, Copilot, Gemini, SEMrush, and many more. And run your entire online business seamlessly, all from one single dashboard, without paying any monthly fees. AI Supreme works in 3 easy steps. 1. Login. 2. Activate. 3. Profit. Sounds amazing, right? Here's why marketers call AI Supreme the Tesla of all marketing apps. Say goodbye to website and funnel creators like Wix, Shopify, ClickFunnels, and others. Say goodbye to landing page creators like Landingy, Unbounce, etc. Say goodbye to email marketing tools like Auber, GetResponse, etc. Say goodbye to graphic tools like Canva, Adobe Express, Remove.bg, and others. Say goodbye to AI image tools like Midjourney, DALL-E, Leonardo AI. Say goodbye to video creation tools like InVideo, Adobe Premiere, InShorts, etc. Say goodbye to AI content tools like Jasper, ChatGPT 4.0, Gemini, Copy, AI. Say goodbye to AI tools like ChatGPT 4.0, Copilot, Tidio, Google Bard, Gemini. Say goodbye to ranking tools like SEMrush, Ahrefs, TubeBuddy, or vidIQ. Say goodbye to voiceover creation tools like Lovo, Muff. Say goodbye to using third-party interactive website elements. Say goodbye to coding tools like GitHub, Copilot. Say goodbye to tracking and analytics tools like Google Analytics, Hotjar. Say goodbye to tools like Hootsuite, CoSchedule, Trello, and Buffer. Say goodbye to lead magnet creators once and for all. Also, if you grab your copy during this special launch deal, you get premium bonuses that are worth $18,658 completely for free. This is your last chance to grab your access to the most amazing and trusted marketing technology while you still can. Now I'm sure you're definitely thinking how much this is going to cost. It would be easy for us to charge $197 per month bare minimum for a single app because there is a huge cost involved behind this masterpiece. But the good news is, you can get all this now for a low, one-time price that's never seen before. Yep, you read that correctly, we're offering this crazy technology for only pennies of the dollar, but only during the launch period. And yes, there is no recurring monthly fee or any hidden charges involved. So, you get everything for a low one-time payment. But please don't close this page and come back later because the price is going up fast. You're also covered by our 30-day money-back guarantee, so there's literally no risk involved. So, what are you waiting for? Join this new era of AI marketing apps and click the button below now to grab AI Supreme at crazy low discounted price and claim your bonuses before the price goes up. Good luck and we'll see you inside.